Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to make this bass. It was inspired by a track of Visages called Hurting Me. You can find the stems for the remix of the track on the Soundcloud of the label Flexout Audio. Let's get into this bass. Everything started with a patch that I made in Serum. It's a very simple patch with one wavetable oscillator and one sub-oscillator. In the effects section, there is a distortion unit and a high-pass filter. In the matrix, you can see how the LFO1 is linked to two parameters. The oscillator number 1 is making this sound. Let's try to replicate it on oscillator number 2. Let's open this section of Serum. This section allows you to draw the wavetable. Let's draw the first one, that is something similar to a soft square wave. And the second one is a modify of the first one, with the third harmonic more powerful. We select the two wavetable and we apply the crossfade so we can morph it with LFO number 1. We set the unison at 2 voices. In my analyzer, you can see the green is the mono information and the yellow one is the side information. As you can see, we have side information in the sub-harmonic, in the sub-fundamental, and for mixing purpose I don't want it. I want the sub that is very clean and mono. So I modify the two wavetables by delete the fundamental of the wave. We repeat the crossfader morphing modulation with LFO1, and now you can hear and see that there is no sub in this sound. It's now that we activate the sub oscillator in Serum and we set it to direct out, so it bypasses the effects section. In the effects unit, we activate this distortion, set it to soft clip, all drive up to 100%, the mix to 90, and we make a modulation with LFO1 of a value of 10, starting from 83, and with a Q value of 2.0. This is the sound that we obtain, and as you can see, in the sub fundamental, some side information are back. This is why I activate the high-pass filter. Now we have a clean bass. This is the one that I have before. We can freeze the track, open a new audio track, rearrange the bass, and that's all. Hope that you liked the video. If you have any question or any request, you can write down in the comment section in YouTube. Thanks for watching.